Guys, in the other news today, there was a crime report for the 2025 compiled by the Criminal Investigation Directorate, and it shows that over 25 Ugandans lost their lives to murder and road crashes every day. Now, the figures from the 2025 police annual crime report shows that over 4,328 people were deliberately killed by humans, translating into 11 people murdered a day. Now, with assault accounting for 1,326 murders, to the highest cost, of course, and mob action resulting into 950 deaths in Uganda. Now, 415 people died by strangulation, followed by 338 murdered by hacking, 292 stabbed, 289 beaten with blunt object, 208 in domestic violence incidents, 190 were shot, 111 people died by poisoning, 61 in ritual sacrifice. This is disgusting. Do we still have this up to now? And then 58 in arson. Now, according to the report, Chegegwa district leads in murders with 67 cases, followed by Mubende and Chenjojo with 58 each, Rukungiri 54 and Oyam 53. CID Director Major Tom Magambo said crimes registered dropped by 10.2% between 2022 and 2025, showing a consistent downward trend. Now, generally, police recorded cases, and of course recorded cases has dropped. Sometimes it drops because people are not reporting, or because crimes is reducing. We do not know, but they said police recorded cases have dropped from 218,715 in 2024 to 196,405 in 2025. Now, of these, 79,291 were taken to court, involving 99,004 accused persons. 31,732 accused were convicted. That is it. That's the annual crime report by the police of Uganda, according to the statistics. But what is puzzling, what is really not nice, is over 25 Ugandans dies every day, like they are killed. One, road crashes, road accident. Two,